Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed Base44 web app in Shopify. The first thing I want you to do is go to your Base44 dashboard, and then if you click here on the top right on share, you'll get your link to your Base44 web app. Okay, so you can copy this and then you just come here to Shopify. You log in to your admin section. Here you'll see your online store. Okay, click on that. Click here on pages, and I want you to add a page. Okay, and in the content, what I want you to do is go ahead and use HTML and put this in right there. Okay, exactly as you see right here. And what I want you to do after this is have a title. So I can name this anything I want. Let's say my app. Okay. So now that we have this, what we are going to do here, you see the link, right? We are going to go ahead and put in our link from here. We copy this, we paste it in here, the source. I want you to use it exactly as it is. And then I want you to save this. So here we have added our page. Okay, as you can see right here. And then what we want to do, because now you see this is the content, so it actually works. Once you go ahead and log in, then you'll be able to access this app. But what I can also tell you to do is you come here and click on content, add a menu, right? So people can access your page. So click on menu, click on create menu. You can name this anything you want. Let's add a menu item. In this case, people, they want to go ahead to your app section under your online store. Okay, so that is where we're going to link them. So you add your menu, link them to your app section page, and then you go ahead and save it so they can easily navigate. It'll be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.